Hello everyone. Let's provide a solution to this Olympiad mathematics. We have x multiplied by x over x plus x equal to x multiplied by x. Now what should we do? X multiplied by x is giving us x squared. This is over x plus x, which will give 2x. And then this will be equal to x times x, and it's giving us x squared as well. And you should know that this is over 1, so we can cross multiply. And then when we cross multiply, it will be 2x multiplied by x squared equal to x squared multiplied by 1, and that is still x squared. Now you're going to be wrong if you divide everything by x, or you divide by x squared, so cancel these two. You will be wrong. So what do? Multiply this first. So we have 2x to the power of 3 equals x to the power of 2. Now the next thing we will do is to bring this to the left. That way we'll have 2x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2 equals 0. Now this is having a power of 3. So therefore, we are expected to have 3 values of x, right? So we factor out x squared because it's common to both of them. Now 2 is here and 1x will be there. Minus 2x divided by 2x is giving us 1. And this is equal to 0. Remember I said we are expected to have 3 values. Now, x squared is either equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, to get the value of x, we'll take the square root of both sides, plus or minus square root of 0. Or on this side, 2x will be equal to 0 plus 1. From here, plus or minus square root of 0. Now, this is giving us, this will go with this, right? So x will be equal to plus or minus square root of 0 is giving us 0, right? Or on this side, 2x is equal to 1. But remember that we don't have negative 0 or positive 0. So we will conclude that x from here is equal to 0. Or on this side, we can say that x is equal to 1 over 2, since we are to divide both sides by the coefficient, right? So from here, we now know that x is equal to 0 or 1 over 2. Remember, I told you this would have had 3 solutions, right? But because x is 0 here, we cannot have plus or minus, so we just take x to be equal to 0. Now, let's put this back into the original equation where we had x times x over x plus x equals x times x. Now, if I put in 0, it means 0 times 0 over 0 plus 0. Should this be equal to 0 times 0? Okay, we know that 0 times 0 is giving us 0 times 0 is giving us 0 over 0 plus 0 is giving us 0. Now, do you think this will be equal to 0 times 0, which is 0? Now, I think this is debatable. Okay, this is debatable because if you're having anything divided by 0, it's going to make it undefined. Okay, so some persons will say that this is undefined, while some persons will say it is defined and that the answer is 0. But for me, it is undefined. Undefined in a sense that 0 here is a number, and dividing any number by 0, it will make it undefined. Okay, that is for me. Thank you. Now, let's go straight to the second value of x, which is 1 over 2. Okay, so this is where we are, and our x is now 1 over 2. Now, here we have 1. Okay, x is now 1 over 2, so we write 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Now, will this be equal to 1 over 2 times 1 over 2? This is a question. But then, look at one of the ways you will know it's they are the same thing. Now, 1 over 2 plus 1 times 1 over 2, that will give us 1 over 4, right? And we are dividing this by 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is giving us 1. That is, half plus half will give 1, right? Now, this is equal to 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. It will give us 1 over 4 as well. Now, 1 over 4 divided by 1, it will give us the same 1 over 4. And on the right hand side, we are having 1 over 4. Now, this is to confirm that our x will be equal to 1 over 2 is very satisfying. Thank you for watching.